What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys who have Rosealee come out, you know what I mean, and talk about helping King Donia, you know what I mean. I guess some people have some things to say, you know what I mean. So it may become clear the ear or whatever, cause it must help King Donia to get him things to fly out. You see me, and him come talk about that and some other things, right? Also, we have Daima, Raja, Blinga, and a couple other people on live because Blinga come try the whole thing with Raja friend and what him do to the woman, seeing. So some whole heap of things get revealed, voice note get read. No, what me I talk about? Text message get read and all these things. So we're gonna get in at my people because you don't know, say them get to the meat of the matter. You know what I mean? I expose everything we're going. We're gonna get in at that. Also, my people, we have Devrel. You know what I mean? The same youth where same friend up top boss, the Rasta, do whatever to him. Seeing? So him come explain to Ayaflex what really go on, because remember Ayaflex did link up with the Ras and the Ras tell him some things, you know what I mean? Say, yo, nothing like that with this youth you talk about, no go so. And then me a pray me and say, oh, you have cell phone and camera upon the cell phone and all these things are go on, and you would never take a picture for sure, say boy, yes, this go on. Right? Also, people, we have Mackerel and Zozo go at it, seeing. So I have that to share with you too. So these are the things I have to share with you, my people. If there's anything else, I add it to it, you know what I mean, or maybe we'll add more as we go along so we could get in it.
Yes.
I want to ask Melissa, how did she meet Blacks? Because me I hear now say a romance scam, so I want to ask her the question, how she meet him. Hello? You not hear me?
Via Roger.
She met him by Roger.
But yeah, she met him via Roger. He was a friend of Roger, but Roger was not in on it. Roger tried to warn her when he realized that the man was being very dishonest.
So like how she met him by Roger, this is what I'm asking. She met him by a friend, right?
Yes.
So when the person that you met him by told you about that person, which way that is his friend that he buy a bike for, and he told you that person is not a good person, and you still go ahead and go around that person back and still give this man, put your trust in this man and give him all of your money?
Miss, my aunt that raised me, because I didn't know my parents.
Yes.
She warned me about my child's father, my baby father, but I did not listen, miss, and my daughter is behind me now. She's going to be 24 months. I do not understand why you're questioning my client in that direction, because if you're...
So you pay the lawyer the money? That was all he was concerned about.
Yes, but to
You
me,
hear that part, Miss Blinga?
yes, but to me there was no lawyer to owe me see this thing ago.
It's not
So when
finished. The recording is not finished.
Okay.
Why no lawyer no there, but he want to make sure say the money pay. He want to know if the money pay.
Did you make any reason?
Man, you don't have to play no more advice work. Everybody says like everybody says they never force no married and say when want it. You don't have to play nothing more, Mel. You don't have to play nothing more. I just money them in a defend money.
Mel, did you make any recent payment that you could call your bank and tell them that you were scammed, and so they could cancel the payment?
What happened? When he got locked up, May 26th.
Yes.
That same day, he called crying, and then the uncle girlfriend recommend this lawyer, which is her friend, she said, that works at the same law company. And then when I spoke to the so-called lawyer,
What is the name of the attorney? We need to know. You need to call her name out. If she's not a recognized attorney, then people need to know what was the name of the attorney. This is time for you to expose people. The entire diaspora, about local and international, needs to know these people. If we don't expose them, next thing we know, they can try it with somebody else. You know what I'm saying? So you are the straw that breaks the camel's back. So call
who did you send the money to for the lawyer?
I sent it to the same, the lawyer, her name is Kimberly.
Kimberly what? What's the name of her her full name?
I have to go into my email to find the documents and probably, I don't know if Roger could send it to Miss Blinga.
You need to. The world needs to know about them. They can't be protected. You understand? This is almost as if a man take one woman and give her HIV.
Everything here, every from this court has started. It's all a scam. Everything here is just not right. Everything is just has been a scam for me. Everything, all of this is just a scam. It's just it's not making sense. You have been scammed out of everything. Love, money, heartache, headache, everything. So what?
Your Honor, back to my point again. Remember the uncle say, you know, he when they carry human guy spiritual man, we chop him 150. I remember, please note on this, come here, dwell upon it. Remember, say Mel say, and the uncle girlfriend give him the liar. So it's the next friend that we chop him. Cause remember saying the carry Mel got spiritual man, and the spiritual man and when him friend and nothing. You see I chop me, they do one chop you, we drink out the money, so the liar ain't real neither. If the uncle go say he went one chop Mel and the liar represented by the uncle girlfriend, that is no liar.
No liar, all fake. This is what I'm saying. All this shit is fake. And now one person is hurt in this situation. One person is hurt, and that's the plaintiff. And she's a victim. Mighty God of Daniel, people, we must stand with her and we must help her and motivate her and try to let she get over at least some of it.
You know what the part where Melissa forgive God thanks for? She find out well early because she could have lost more.
This wedding, it's not even
more.
It's not.
And Melissa, they could have robbed you until they put you in until they unalive you and put you in a shallow grave.
But she
You understand? They could have put you in a shallow
she
grave.
fell into depression, and I guess you guys didn't even know this. She was in the hospital.
They could have unalive you and put you in a shallow grave, and the family would have covered it up. Do you understand? These are the type of family members who know their sons are gunmen and killers, and
I lucky say Melissa we have me straight him because the woman one at the time man gonna hospital. The woman the eye gone in a hole. And me have to tell the woman, you know what me have to do for bring my the woman? Me have to sing in her ear say, Melissa, me spend more than your rock back. A period that me have to tell him every day. Me have to say use me as example to catch her back. And me catch her back.
My God. My God. I mean, come on.
Because I totally understand. Because I saw one at a time, Mel, you're so upset you're burning quite a few things.
Who goes so far? You go as far as to marry someone? My God, dog shit.
Mel love the man, that's all when me I said to Mel. All when me I give Mel the advice them. Mel nah drop out of love. Up to right now, Mel still in a love. I tell
Good night. Good night, everybody.
Up to now, brother.
Mel, one advice to you.
We're not sorry to intervene. You know why I know Mel still in a love? Them call her yesterday.
Claim to say they are the lawyer.
Hey, my people, I want thing me I go tell you still, you know. The whole of them I go down, you know. If this woman here pursue this thing here, the whole of them are go down, you know, for your money, you know. Them have to go pay back her every single cent, you know, where she spend, you know. When them trick her and make she spend, you know. Me I tell her, you know. Boy, me I tell her, yo, some people, them don't know when them get them little blessing. Them don't know when them get them little luck. You see me I say? You ramp with fear, look luck where you get. And calling how much people per year, look luck where you get. Seeing when you in a deep SHIT now. Me I wonder if you can call upon them, although them have a role to play, so them I go get mix up and tie up in this whole thing when you got a court. So people make me know wanna think. Boy, we could listen some more.
The family them call the man a mad out and a walker looking at the sky. And she called me, I feel sorry for me. I feel say, idiot woman, I make her take a vitamin tank.
Then you have to block these people. You have to block all the. They are generation of vipers. They're monsters.
Don't let you block them yet, Miss Bling. She feel lock them up. No, block
These
them
people
yet.
are
Lock them up.
monsters.
You don't have to take any call. Don't take any calls. But
That's
block
why
them
I'm
up.
saying
Lock
to
them up.
Zandra, there has to be a way in Jamaica where these people can go to jail for this. There has to be some type of law for these things.
You can.
No, you know, listen, vice know what the man say. Send this to Roger, anybody you want send it to. Me are the wrong somebody are wrong to find it anyway. The man I tell the woman play and say, girl, I chop you. You lucky you save a 150 today. The man now hold back nothing. The uncle tell him playing.
And he's also
I play the uncle tell him playing. You know hear what the woman say. The liar was represented by the uncle woman. Everybody chop the woman sideways. Everybody. And the woman
Because Melissa,
I know the woman still stand up in the top.
Set an example out of them. Lock them
use
up.
this opportunity to tell the females to take their time. Marriage is not something to play with. And marriage, when you're easy for going out and hard for come out of it. Take on the time to gain people trust. Don't just get up and make a permanent decision and a short-term feelings. You understand, Miss Blinga? We as females need to be more vigilant and stop making long-term decision and short-term feelings. We have to start put up with guard. Start taking the time to trust people. Don't just get up trusting people like that. Take on a look at time. Anxiety is not of God, and anxiety is not.
Your Honor, me not say the woman fool. Because it's Melissa fly come a yard, me got Jamaica. Melissa take it a yard, me take it abroad. That even name me know. Melissa get 3 months, me get 1 week. Listen, Melissa, I'm here for.
And Melissa, you have to give thanks for Diana, but Zandra, I have something for you.
Because let me tell you, Miss Blinga, it's not that people are you know stupid or are not using wisdom, but you have to understand when you meet someone and the love is bubbling and it feels like magic inside, you're feeling butterflies and it's activating emotions that you thought were once dead, and this person is overseas, you are going to say to yourself, you know what, we are not really ready for marriage, you know, but due to the fact that, you know, the geographical location and how difficult it is for paperwork and stuff like that, you can easily find yourself into that type of arrangement. Miss Blinga, a lot of us pay for business marriage and we get scammed just the same. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, I do understand the wisdom that Cute Boss is applying, but also, you know, she was
And
really
then Zandra,
you know, it's
Zandra between me and you 1 minute, your Honor. Zandra, remember, a crutch is your rub. You swear cocky nice and sweet. Zandra, it told me that must cut quick. Worse, Melissa never fuck for 3 years. So quick and fast, Melissa, melt.
But being with a girl is nice, and Diamond.
Me no want try, me want cocky boss me told me na either. Your Honor, pull the core, your Honor, leave the armor, your Honor.
Objection.
I think you should try.
Objection.
I think you
Zandra,
should try it.
my spirit is
Yes,
telling
Your
me that there has to be some form of justice that can apply to her from the Jamaica system. I'm telling you, something can be done. So what I would like for you, maybe you can speak to a lawyer out there and see what could be done, because Mel does not deserve this. She deserves some form of justice.
I think she should get an annulment, Miss
Yes,
Blinga, and leave those people alone, because those people will set up her life
But
and put her in a
nobody
shallow
will know
grave.
where she's at.
Blinga,
You understand? Nobody will know where she's at.
you understand what I think Cute Boss gave a very good suggestion earlier for her to cut her losses and just call the boy across and keep it moving.
Melissa,
And the only thing
you know you have to look into Melissa.
the only thing I would
Melissa get a whole heap of strength. Melissa, all where they go, nobody ever stand up for me in a box yet. Nobody, I me alone have to run me back her field. Melissa, you is been loved. Cause people don't know you and get that strength here. And me love.
Yes.
Yes,
You were the side for long.
nobody don't give me no strength. Nobody don't take up for me in hand. Me have to defend myself. Take me and beat me.
No, we've been cussing
I
out
have to take the man in hand. Take the man loses and everything. So Melissa, people
Slim,
do love you.
Most of our females in our society have a big heart. We try to help somebody before. Majority of we have a story to tell. So here what me know. It done happen to Melissa already. And we don't want it to happen to nobody else. So here what me I beg you to do. Because Bob Marley did that tell you in a long time. Emancipate yourselves from broke fucking. None but ourselves can set our price. Have no fear to pick up your dildo. If a boy can bring in a dime, how long shall they use our woman? And take their money, go mine, man. Listen to me. No more broke fucking. Refrain from doing the broke fucking. If you have to go be the provider, left it place. We don't not do this no more. Don't do this anymore. We're not top.
Boss, we can't too old to learn. Everybody learn at a period of time. This now go reach Melissa again. And if a boy thinking bad, you come follow for me arrow again. And you go see where you go get out of it. So if anybody tell them to say a bank account, they come. You open wide.
All right, so here's what's going to happen. We came here today and we aired out the hold on. We came here today and we aired out the defendants. So this is a photo of the monster, the criminal, the liar, the scammer. His face should be all over the media as a liar, monster, scammer, every type of You understand? This gentleman does not deserve to get an $X or scam another female. And you, baby mother, you think you won. You think you won, but your day is coming. Melissa, you are supposed to learn your lesson from this. What I need you to do is put on your big girl's panty. Put those big girl's panties on. You're not the first person this happened to. You won't be the last. You have some strong females behind you, like Daima, and you need to follow Zandra. I find Zandra to be a very motivating person to not fuck with her like me. So, seriously, I'm so sorry for what happened to you. I'm glad that you are now friends back with Roger. I'm just happy how this turned out. I'm sorry for all these shit that you had to put up.
Blinga, I put that back together because, hear me now, remember Roger make you all we know the woman. The lady been a follow me for a taller time still. But what happened, if it was for Roger, I would really see her in person. But she a follow me for a taller time, Instagram days, pasa days, whatever. But Mark note, Roger still make me see her like in live and live in colors. So when she go through the phase, and she reach out to me and say, Diamond, give me a moment, cash. Every man me there for me live I talk about film it something. So she realized and believe in me, I realized that, all right then, if Diamond can go through something like this, one time me can reach out to Diamond. And she reach out to me and say, I can't say something to you in a live film. Me say, sure. And from there, me take it. When me see the mental breakdown where the woman going at the stress blinga, me I say, bumbo clap, me one can manage. So, me have to go call Roger and say, Roger, just forgive the woman because bad to bad you come out, you bring her down, she come back and answer back. So, me have to put it together.
Oh, so yesterday when me did share the story with Uno, me hear the woman talk something about being in Jamaica, but me never told listen too much at the man people in me yard, you see me, and I did so Roger mother must get the video which she see say she no look good, you know what I mean? She had drop flesh and something, so on a level I did so him pick it up right and here Diamond say as she tell the woman say if you go on back up, you know what I mean? Let me tell you something people, you see some woman or even some man same way, you see some of the time them just bury themselves in a them work and I pray that some of the time them get hurt, you know what I mean, in a relationship, and then just focus more upon them job something. Foreign America is a lonely place to, you know, my people, because unlike Jamaica or your home country, she from Guyana, where you can just go link your friend and your friend can link you. You don't have much friends there, so you understand me? So sometimes people just from work to home, so them not have no social life. So when them find a man, you know what I mean, and some of the time them not in a relationship for how long, and them find a local man or something, them just dive into the relationship head first, you know what I mean, and do some stupid things, and some of the red flags them bypass it until everything just catch up and one big bang around. And then when them get them heart broken, it's like it lick them hard. You see me I say? So me I tell you, woman them out there and the man them, don't bury yourself in the work. Find time to enjoy yourself. Have a social life. And nobody talk about you're done with love. You know what I mean? Some of the time you have to ease our face, but nobody go long without love till when you find somebody, you ignore all of the red flags then because you so want to have somebody around. You know what I mean? You know what I think, people, we are what somewhere.
And get back Roger here, so cause me alone can't manage it because the woman has serious mental breakdown. And me I try to lift him, but I couldn't. The woman send me the video. The woman there Jamaica that when me come here, cause she said she come here and remember say me gonna England. When the woman send me the video, I must have sat there and me see the woman face. Me say, Jesus Christ, Melissa, no, come go home, catch up back yourself. Me not turn line listen me and go home. Cause she never went to live until this Wednesday. Her ticket never was to live until this Wednesday. She said she can't get no ticket. Me said, try get one ticket and go home, catch up back yourself. Me said, no, me have to go call Roger. And when me they tell Roger name want hear me out. And then, you know, Roger heart soft. Then Roger hear me out and me I say, Roger, look here. Look on him, what I said, Jesus Christ, mighty God, no dimer. Oh God Almighty, me have to go forgive him. Me can't go bad. Roger say me I go be. Me say Roger do. Just forgive him, Roger.
You know, say sometimes the best therapy for just make them know say them is not alone, because she is the first and she definitely will not be the last. The best therapy is to let her know. So chat, if anybody in the chat go through something, and just type me, so she can know say I know she alone. A lot of people go through this. And the best
everybody please send a hand heart. Melissa, look at the amount of females who got scammed, robbed, and all type of things. It's a lot of females this happened to. So don't feel, I can't even tell you how to feel. Just take a little time, stand up in your struggle, and you're going to be okay. But what I want you to do, block all number that is going to be calling you, because they're going to call you, maybe put blood island next and man tab him. You're going to feel sorry for him.
Because, Blinga, I know Melissa don't drop out, I love it. And I think the boy know that. So the boy does come make, me tell you what the boy are trying to do. The boy are trying to make everything go and polish up. Because the first thing, for sure, say the boy know, say, Melissa love him till death do us part. Here what the boy go call the woman and tell the woman, say, if the woman willing to accept him, baby mother, the three of them can they.
No, Melissa, let me tell you something. Do not take any phone calls again. No more bribe. Nothing for nobody ever tell you, oh, Melissa, or if him call you, you know me left the woman door. And you me really love and want. Me sorry, so me do this to you. Just give me a next chance. No more. Yes. Me no want to hear what Narina say. Narina come say she got through what she got through. We not depend that. We depend helping Melissa. She want to come tell her story. Me no want to hear that. We want Melissa to get put back together. Cute boss. You know? Narina just want to come tell her story.
The runner, you say Melissa no block them. She not go heal. She not going to heal.
Yes, Melissa, don't make them come to you with no sad story. Them full of sad story. Them will put all blood at the boy neck and say man stab him. Make him look like him a dead. No kind of feelings, no remorse, nothing. Block everybody. Move and if you're an apology. That can't ever so them steer. Them know you're weak to them. Change your number, block your number from them. Them are crosses from the mama straight down to the uncle, to the baby mother. And trust me, you baby mother, your karma is coming. Because I saw him not stop fuck by you. Remember him love likes. Remember, I'm love likes.
When the woman come to look about in divorce paper, and she call me, and me say, Melissa, me gonna England, where you there? But me gonna come back before you come. Me say, Melissa, you go stay at Airbnb. Melissa say, no, me go up at the granny. And Melissa, I go up at the granny and enter the chat. Melissa, I give 45,000, so everything I chop. You know, me no want go in it, you know, cause they get me ignorant and the blingers.
Yeah, because all the granny, everything I chop. Hey, Melissa, you're not stupid. We're not just here telling you this.
Your Honor, I honestly think the grandmother mean are good.
So people, me not really talk much still, but let me know what you think in the comment section.
Because I know the grandmother and she's like that. It doesn't matter about what she will stand up and say what she have to say. You understand? Because even at this point when everybody accuss her and I call her accuss her, the grandmother still in her favor. And I tell her say them wrong for do what them do to her. So she not business what she want.
Okay. Well,
Melissa said it bloody okay. But right now to me say everybody a different type of blood clot here is, you know, because you see me for once you feel me yet mama
P-Mod is talking in the chat. Bianca
what she say?
Bailey. Look, she's there. Bianca Bailey.
Everything. I feel so. Bianca, listen to me what I'm going to say to you.
Bianca, come on.
Bianca, you're a fucked up female. And I'm going to tell you why you're a fucked up female and you're going to get your karma. Let me tell you see that boy is not going to be okay with you alone. Because remember, you can't help him. You can't help him. And he's always wanting. He's an ambulance. Him ready for people things. He'll go to the extra mile like marrying someone, even though he knows he don't love them. And this is what he's going to continue to do over and over and over. And he's going to do it to you because you let him. You can't argue with all the females that he plans to.
Bianca, you're in the chat. You're the chat about Melissa karma. Shana, move your big belly blood clot for your karma, cause blacks don't want you. Blacks fuck up the whole community. Blacks don't want you alone. Move your blood clot, hey girl. Me come out.
You should be ashamed of yourself to say this because of the woman money. I bet you never have a good Mother's Day until Melissa came along.
Because sometimes them can't.
Bet you never have a good Mother's Day until Melissa came along. You're a disgrace to woman. You're a disgrace to female. You should be ashamed of yourself to sit here and say this. Your karma soon come. You can't come up in the box to even defend your so-called man. Because I know you're a man, you know. I know you're a man. It's going to be one next somebody I'm going to chop.
Blingers, without Melissa. Blingers. The only reason why she get highlighted.
Everything but Bianca, you need to know that this is the same script, just a different cast. And the same way you win a man, it's the same way.
Listen up. She walk and fight for that the man a day in day out. The man fuck everybody for her. You hear me? I tell you, listen to me. I told we know Melissa, and we a big public fear for Melissa. Come on. She just go like she have strength for Melissa. She can't even do. Yeah, somebody man. You know so the man a community cocky. And the man fuck everybody. You dey go like the man loyalty and the man a good boy. The man fuck any and everybody. Anywhere him cocky go, him let it go. It's just because we know Mel. And people don't know the background story. You can talk about Melissa karma. No girl if you love have a no girl. That's why when me have no boy, I no want no boy come chat their woman when they be before me. Cause when they left me, they go chat me with the next girl. You feel good, man. I can talk about man.
Did you know that the man turned her in a handicap because the man bust her hand open? She can't even use her hand right now.
Yeah, next man.
Yeah. You should have shame on yourself.
Yeah, Bella. Yeah. Because she come to fight. She come to fight blood clot Melissa. I want blood down the man food basket. I come and want fight Melissa. And the man trap him on him finger, making her coat. And turn her in a don't come on, move your blood clot. I left my friend.
Go ahead. That's why I'm turning in a handicap. You have more forget. Leave the woman alone.
For question, was that why the man was locked up?
Apparently, so them say.
Oh, so he was genuinely locked up then because he defended his wife.
Yes, that's why.
Yeah.
So you defended your wife after all, dirty blacks.
Yeah, she come defend man, return her in a handicap because she can't use her hand anymore. She should be ashamed of herself.
Wait, man, wait. That's wonderful. Blacks
No, I'm saying that blacks defended Melissa.
Something, man. Hold on.
No, man.
Wait.
Blacks did something.
Nigga, listen to this, Miss
Not to abuse the lady, because I'm not going to say that the abuse of any woman is okay. But meaning that he stood up for you, Melissa.
Your Honor, hear what me I say, Your Honor.
Drama.
But blacks is still a drunk.
You know Bianca. You see Bianca. Melissa be shake Bianca hand. You see my name Bianca. Melissa who don't know nothing. Cause a Bianca first run out with this
Daima.
A Bianca black. A Bianca.
Daima.
Hold on no Q-Bars. Let me give you your sec. Me not like when me attack me tap. Cause me not go come back and me get dark up in here. Q-Bars me go make you talk. Me talk. Listen. If it was not for the girl, the woman who don't know nothing. And the two of them. A Bianca coming up. A Bianca mash up black's life, you know. A Bianca mash up black's life cause blacks they are jail. And she come out the true word for the woman. And I talk about the money the man when go. Say she never come out control no word. Melissa who don't get no acknowledgement and nothing. All no blacks that still a fighting way for that foreign. So a Bianca black blood clot black's future cause a Bianca I like Melissa. Cute boss go on friend.
Was addressing something that Zandrama says. Him stood up for him wife. Him never stood up for him wife. Him stood up for the money. Because all blacks' problem was for Bianca to understand that I'm a meal ticket this. Just humble and easy because of you are going to win at the end. He wanted Bianca to understand and make no problem. He never stood up for Melissa. He stood up for his money.
Clear.
Chat, we're asking everybody to support the live goal. Please send gifts. It's gift time. Everybody gift time. Gift time. Take a break.
Yeah. We don't have no woman power. All of girl about internet. Uno go like son never buy a man a underpants set. Uno go like uno so perfect. Uno go like uno never see man tonight and fuck them tonight and drop in a love tonight. Everybody over here so perfect. Low the blood clot woman no fuck for 3 years. Get a 4-inch or a 5-inch stiff like a iron. Fuck her. She spend her money. Hear what me I say? Hear what me I say, Mel? You get your money's worth. Just call it a loss and make them go on like what me do. Then we get a new man to play pillow fight with. Just go and heal. Now follow me a replica. Me use one man and conquer next. So
And people, you know, say we are blame the youth and Ray. We have to put some of the blame on the woman also, you know. Yeah man, we have to put some of the blame on her. You know why? Because a lot of these females, right? Them see man and know say man have them woman. Seeing, because you hear a text she come to take away the man from him woman in him baby mother, you know. You see me I say, although him a full her head up a foolish, but sometimes the woman them know say the man have him woman and them come because them have little money and them have foreign. I promise them say them a go carry them go foreign. Them use that to take away the man them from them woman. So enough of them woman here, them deserve what them get some of the time. You see me I say, she know, me don't know if I saw the man so convincing where she feel like say the man and the woman left, but the woman did a post up things on her page. So she did a see certain things on her page and she still go along with it. You see me I say, so me don't know if she deserve what she get, or let me know what you think in the comment section.
Ewa, you can't manage this, you know. You're soft for all man da, me means a tough for all man da yo. So Ewa, just go and below. You that shall pass like the star that over the all stop.
Melissa, one advice I have for you. It's a good day today. We air out this man and we highlighted a lot of things, and we also spread awareness to some other females. If they don't want to take it, that's their business. Listen to me. You need healing. It's a good thing you have Diamond, you have Raja now, you have Zandra and Cute Boss. Listen to what I'm about to say to you. Every time that you feel the pain and feel bad, tell yourself, you know, me's not the only woman where this happened to or where this true. On the other hand, fuck love. You don't love this boy. You have to let him go away, go to hell, go to the bottomless pit. Don't take nothing more. Don't make nobody call you and make you sorry for him. You're a sad story, because this is the next part of this. This is what they do. Call and give you a sad story. Send message, apologize, sorry, cry tears, do the most. I don't know what the fuck this man is capable of, but he will go down on knee and cry a river just for you to feel sorry for him. Them are wicked with a capital W.
What you mean? And when they come fuck you, with your face look good, when then done with you, then start your face all and jog down. You hear me? I tell you, Mel, this happy pass. Mel, me say take me a mark. Mel, me say me do more than you. Mel, at Jamaica me live. Me have to change off my currency if it turn in the US. Alright.
Mel, be strong. Stop up. Girls panty. You don't want to hear nothing. You don't want you don't want a sad story, you don't want an uncle call you, no, even though the granny nice. Me a block all the granny. The whole family a block. You understand? Come, you don't want nobody come to me, come say, Mel, me know say what blacks they do him wrong and everything, but a sickness. Fuck that. Fuck that. Block everybody. Then one next segment I go come in a Mel. The apologizing segment. The begging, the crying segment. He will tie rope around him neck and stand up and block and say I go jump. And say me come show you.
Miss Bling, give her an example of people who cry for money, because she probably never seen nobody ball for money yet. So give her a prime example. Melissa, type in Anna, which is Annie daughter, and you will see tears for money.
No, guys, no, please do not. No, do not. No, guys, no, not Anna, please, guys.
You're an example of people will
no, but Anna has real raw emotions, guys. No,
that's also Zandra's client.
No, that's my client, guys. No,
So listen,
Zandra, let me ask you one question. So you me, or you never put me in your client list?
No, Diamond, definitely no. You see tomorrow. You're gonna see tomorrow. What time is the court tomorrow morning, Miss Bling?
But Zandra, me there a long time. Zandra, me there a long time before all of them I get drunk. I never see you help me.
No, say never see me put in a one of my pieces. Them and me say one if Diamond do one. Come me the one if you couldn't send me the $1 million too. You never see me put it in a one piece. But no, but look here. I'm gonna
come for you. Zandra. Zandra serious something. After the boy use and abuse me, the boy say never put gun on my head. And the boy say never send crime and me no fuck myself. But say, me can't start for me court, because me can't deal with me want done for female in the car.
What time a Diamond court, Mr.
Mel court is
10 a.m. in the morning? 10 a.m. in the morning?
Yes. Mel court, listen why we are going to.
I'm her lawyer too.
Listen why we're going to drop this.
Are anybody defend Willie?
No, trust me, somebody gonna come and represent him. Don't worry. Even he will come and represent him.
Do not defend Willie. Don't take on that case.
I won't take on that case.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Want me not to.
All right, so listen to what I'm about to say now. Melissa, you have strong females behind you. That's the most important thing. Here's what I want to tell you. There's a second part to your story. It's called the part where Blacks is going to make up something and call you and apologize and say he see where he's wrong and he's a man and he shouldn't do this and you did wrong. Huh?
It's already your honor.
So if you tell her, and I'm telling her right now, this is confirmation. So listen what Blacks is going to do, Melissa. He's going to remind you about all the good fuck that he has given you. He's going to tell you pure lies about him don't love the baby mother, but he just went back to her because he never did want to go nowhere else. Listen, he's a pathological liar. He's a user. This is the second part of his plan, because they're going to come for you. Very good. Do not feel not one way about them. You must understand.
You know, me just say to don't tell Melissa me black them car. Come like they over Melissa. Melissa now black one ras.
Well, Melissa, you're on your own. But right now, I'm just glad that we spread some awareness for other females with these men in Jamaica or any other island. But what I'm about to tell you, it is not done. Blacks is not done. You see, Blacks is hiding and watching all this right now. Blacks is not coming out. See, Blacks baby mother in the chat talking.
And I can tell you, Miss Blinga, I can tell you what the baby mother is holding over Black's head. According to her, the judge gave him 1 month in prison for her to decide, because initially she wanted to drop the charges on Black, according to her. She said the judge said, no, I'm going to send him to prison for to jail for 1 month, and you get 1 month to decide if you want to go ahead and send him away for many years. So it seems like about a couple months ago. So she's holding this over his head because
the verdict?
The verdict is the ball is in her hand in letting him go to prison or not go to prison. So seemingly now he's holding that over his head. So remember, the judge said me have 1 month to decide if me want to send her to prison or not. So the judge gave the guy 1 month so they can separate the two. And for her, after the 30 days, she should come back to him and say, listen, I decided to let him go to jail, or I decided to drop the charge. So that's what she's using on him.
He's out.
Right now,
he's out already.
Thank you
I
for
know
that.
she's up, but remember she had to go back.
This won't make sense now, because look, the baby wanna know that him this Melissa now and him now go back to him.
Can I interject?
Yes.
All right then. Let me play out the scenario for you of what is happening. What happened is that if Blacks wasn't locked up, the baby mother would have still gotten the shitting end of the stick. Because what would have happened is that he would have still flopped the baby mother and work with Mel. But the thing is that he got arrested, right? With a police record, he cannot be filed for. So what he did, he played a long game. I'm gonna look at damage here, then I'm gonna do some damage control. So what he did, block out Melissa. When he block out Melissa, him friend back the baby mother.
Hey, my people, you know, say we have to look at the situation in 2 ways too. Because here we go on now, Zane. Remember, say him they done with the baby mother, you know. Done with the baby mother, you know. See, him carry the woman go one party in the area where the baby mother live. I look a fight go on. You see me, I say him end up in it. Him do her thing, she do him things, and she link the officers them hold on upon him, them lock him away. Seeing, so all of this war go on, maybe what him a do, I try save himself, seeing because the baby mother want send him away. Cause no know said hell at no fury than a woman scorn. You see me I say, so upon a level my people, maybe him just still try to get in at the baby mother good. You know what I mean? Just finna get lock away. You see me I say? So maybe I saw it go. Maybe him just play the two of them. Maybe my dog. You see me I say, but me know your opinion in the comment section. More know what you think.
Because what? I'm in the lion's mouth now, so me have to play the ball right. So me not get the police record, right? So I'm friend out back the baby mother, block out Melissa, so him don't get the police record. Because remember, judge gave him 1 month for her to think, or to think about what to do, because she wanted to free him, and the judge said no. Okay, then I'm going to lock him away for a month and give you the chance to think if you want him to walk free or if you want him to stay. So what he did was, okay then, park Melissa like a old truck, go back to the baby mother now, so him not catch the charge, because him feel as if him have Melissa wrapped around his fingers now. So when him come out now, the baby mother gonna get back a flap. What he's going to do, take him a little time, work back him way into Melissa while the green card is being processed, then he just kill the baby mother and I sure.
exactly what happened, but hold on. Green card. Melissa, have you started filing for this gentleman paperwork?
No, I was to file for him the 20th of last month, and that's when Bianca come and reveal everything, and he went to jail. So I took it as a blessing that God sent.
Oh, because Roger just brought the green card to my attention, because I would have to tell you can call immigration.
No, I'm not filing for him anymore.
Very, Melissa, sometimes, when these things happen to us, it's for the best, So give God thanks, because you don't know what.
Some yes, for protection.
Very good, very good.
Miss Bling, me can't tell you one quick short story will reach one of me. Me look at TikTok people who always
ask the question first, then cute boss, then you take us away. Please.
Yes. Ask the question,
Melissa, just being honest here, right? Because we all go through it and we are females, and everybody has the emotions and stuff like that. So there's nothing embarrassing or shame or anything I need to be ashamed of. Do you think you have the emotional strength and power to be able to block them out of your life, resist them, or do you need some special type of offline support to help you to do that? Because that is going to be very important, because that's the first step. That's the first step to your complete emancipation from these people. Are you able to do it alone, or do you want myself, Miss Cute Boss and Diamond to exchange? Put you in a WhatsApp group, and we all form a girls group in there, a girls club, and we speak you into being until you catch your strength. Tell us what you want, because that's what I want to be moving. That's what I want at the end of the day.
Yes, I will appreciate you guys putting me in the group, and you can nurture me on, because not only that I'm going through this mental breakdown, I just lost my father Saturday, so it's a lot.
Zandra,
Jayden,
that was very...
Jayden, if I got the funny.
For your last, Melissa.
Zandra?
Yeah.
And this is why
court
I like
you. Holy and contempt.
Because when it's
disturb the court of law.
When it's joke time and entertainment, I really love this about you. Zandra, thank you for that. So this is female having females back, regardless of what is happening. So Melissa, please do not be dishonest to these females. When I say dishonest, I mean don't take back the boy. No hide and talk to him. No hide and do none of that.
You should have shame for know, so alright then. You say you have pussy under your legs. And you don't have a blood clot, man. Feel down beside of you. Do this and beat me, girl. Do this and beat me. Come here, baby. Do that and beat me. Cross this girl. Or lick up body girl. When you can get a man to kiss a dirty girl, go lick out your man and go. Go ahead, shit off, girl. You're not watching up your body jump off a shape now. You're unshapeable. Dirty thinking, girl. Rosealee beat you. You can't roll a blood clot man out across this girl. Your body come like one jump. Nasty girl. Go make 8 tail lick out your body when you just done shit, because you can't look and wrong like me. We are ram up cock in a pussy. Go make pussy go quack and plack. Make pussy they make nice. Hey girl, no. Hey girl, I mean make girl say so. Calm down, so daddy. I mean, girl, what do you mackerel? Your mother is a what is? Hey, Jesus Christ. You don't know how your mother came out of the hospital. Me don't know how she came out of the hospital. She's a fucking income fool. Me can't blood clot blame you. Me can't blame you. Because your mother you get it from. And your blood clot mother you get it from. Jesus Christ. I'm going to wipe my face.
Come monkey was belong up a up soon. I'm putting the long face, donkey face boy. Stinking up where your mouth stink like you spot. It's some blood clot, this in a blood clot. You talk about a fly, so I'm being dignified, stuck up in your back. Your mouth is a walker, your mouth just stop run. Ooh, the blood clot, the sun come like traffic light.
People, them say Zozo can cuss for Jamaica. When you tell me what you think, and mackerel mouth bad too, you know. So tell me what you think, which one of them bother? See, We'll watch a little bit more and then move on to the next.
I get a money when they say go when them not shoot for your top car. Move the traffic light tongue. Move the blood clot. I'm more busy like ultra blood clot. Sunset International Airport. I'm now war with pussy. Look at me. I'm gonna fuck out. I'm gonna done out. I'm gonna drugs out. I'm gonna quack out. I'm a pussy nice. No blood clot. Nobody can get this. I'm gonna want to free labor. Move it to the clot. Go to whatever the night you know. I say your tongue is a flick. Now let clot. Your tongue is a flick. Move that flippy blood clot song. Move that tongue with stiff.
So no brother, I stay far from money brother. Every look thing bro, on a try to call me name. If me avoid the whole internet, what do you there New York chat? We are name food. This one screen record page. See me and name food. Put up. What that in a Swissley mode? Swissley. Don't think me a bad thing man, my friend. You know I realize that on boy upon the app. Unafraid for this someone, unafraid for this the man them want real fish, you know. Can ever this them man they know the whole internet a come down for one, you know. Me say unafraid for this the man them want real fish. To unafraid for this the man them want real fish, only use all the man them sound. Some man boy when me see I make rascal video, but boy tongue and this or that, you go suck on the mother straight. Brawling go suck on the mama. Brawling. Me no soon, bro. I no one, brother. No matter how far me go way over here, so. Only have the whole of the views that me have 500, 300 people, bro. I'm still I make my kind, when I stay up alive for bleach for the whole day. The size of skeleton rap, bro. Only up on the live, bro, for 1 hour, for 45 hours from morning till night. I'ma come on a 2 hour make I wanna make. Me not see some man, dog. Gonna stay far from me, bro. Stay far from me, bro. I avoid me, bro, and stop play this hypocrite mind game. If me not rate you, bro, me not play a match there, bro. Ask donor from him come here if him not good. Donor feel like same one guy, 1-9 people in here. The man name one big man. If the man want go rascal Jamaica, but the man have 10 years, I don't run the man run off. Ask the dog if him not live good. Ask the dog if him not comfortable with him there. You think I beg donor for come a foreign is an opportunity. And that me I try to show us how no mind corrupt and a pussy. How much on the boy that have link and make man come a foreign? Who rather come a foreign and boss? So that you not wonder, bro. Oh, me make the dog come a foreign so quick. I make the dog live good. And that a matter, you know. That a matter, no. How much on the boy could I make one of the friend them come a foreign? Me and don't have even friend like this. I rate the man, bro. As I said, the youth are good youth. I'm say the man every minute I go up on this man I like this man I want to come foreign. I'm say bro, no worry yourself. I want call me make and the dog come foreign. So it a puzzle, you know. Someone afraid for ask me. Someone want to ask me, oh, for come here, but no know. You know so for me no rate, you can't get my link. So I go try every blood clot thing for try say yo, oh, don't wanna bring up all world dog name to the man, bro, but mine world dog get the man, bro. Brother, me come up and say, bro, I'm there in Florida, I see world dog got the bro, I'm not pick up fame, That man there try better in blood clot life and I fix up him family. Only I say mind the man put the man that things. It me and tell no bro, that's how me know oh so the man run certain joke, you know. Cause certain joke come soon run, me not running, bro. You think when you can get up and want put people life in a death and me rate, you know? No, brother, me can't rate, you know, bro. Me can't rate, you know, that. Me can't even get up and I tell man, but oh, the man, him no want the man this because this a man, I go put this a man. So when I try to tell the man, say, if the one I want to make 2 content with World Dog right now, the man I go think say, man I go want to do him things. I saw when I put it on a corrupt dog. The views get to made. Cause every views want to go through and better everything want to do on this app, I'm do it already. Which you don't want to say it, I don't want to say it. Every fucking thing on this app I want to run, I'm do it already. I'm the first man on TikTok for 40,000 people on my live. The first man for 40,000 people on my live. Everything want to do on this app, bro, I do it already. Anything want to do on the app, and have to mention my name, bro. If you don't want to say it, you have to do it. When you come on TikTok, when TikTok are lame out, bro. Able boss and them man, they can tell you, bro. When you come on TikTok, when TikTok I get lame, boring. Who there when TikTok hot? So when you fight for, bro, don't do it already, bro. I tell you, dog. And that's why I'm not following up. Because I won't do, bro. I'm me a boy, bro. I'm not bad mind, no boy upon this. Because TikTok come like music. Today a Valiant around the place. Next week a Skin. Tomorrow Alkaline. Next week a Kartel. I saw TikTok go. Everybody have them time on the app. But one thing my blood clot no. When everybody have them time, me have a strong family behind me. Somebody come on TikTok and say Rosealee send them money. When you come on live, come tell me that. Me never send somebody money yet for send me back lion. Never. I'm out a big gift I'm go through. Me never fuck one gift upon this yet. What gift me? So that difference between me and you. If you no fuck on a gifter, when you sit down and chat people on a gifter. So someone afraid. And if one of my gifter them walk out, then them go just walk away. Only thing them can say Swiss them keep on birthday match and them expect a Swiss if you job 45 lion, I'm a job 3 lion, or 1 lion, or 2 lion. I the only thing. But for come on live and say Rosealee so long and bring down somebody with them, never. Staying on the lane, dog. Me say me see the screen record of my dog. Say me I say yo.
Hey people, for real, you know, me see want something more grown with Rosealee, you know, say boring tongue, you know, why them people, you know, easy still, you know. Me know what to think with people, but Rosealee, if you know, session in the media, them are going to say all different type of things, they have thick skin, you know what I mean? So, make watch some more with people.
Me and this man and I play a match. What do you hear? So all this man you call me and I tell me, say, yo. A man I go tell him, say, yo, on the screen. Better me no want them gone. No, me no do anything for views. And me no do anything for whatever. They say don't a good youth. Don't a good youth. See me, I one boy. When me see all heap a man style me and side way upon the app. And me and one boy, me not go bring down people and talk what me do for them. Cause see me no look for good name from human being. I God me say bro. You hear that? Me ain't even come and talk what me do for people on app, cause that now do nothing for me. Cause just like how me do things to people, and some my team do things to me. So me no better than nobody if you come on live and say, oh me they do this here. No bro. Oh now wonder how do I come here? Oh now wonder how do I come here so fast? Oh now wonder how do I get 10 years? At that one on the head. So now try to corrupt the dog now. But me I tell you bro, don't a big man and me a big man. Remember me on this app before doing that, bro. I rate the dog. Someone who want to come ask me, yo dog, oh you make doing come and friend, but you know me no rate enough for telling how him come here. You know me no rate enough for telling you say yo, watch out, boof babs, me gonna make you come up. Someone who want to ask for come friend and know me not gonna tell you how to come. So now try every rascal thing. Me not gonna tell you bro, come in no rate no pipe blank, bro. Me no rate on you, bro. Can't have one hypocrite style, bro. If me no rate you, bro, me no play a match with you, bro. If you want to do it, go to Jamaica, go back to Jamaica. Buy the dog a ticket. I'll make your dog go on a yard. Since you want the dog to Jamaica so bad. Look how long you see roll up on TikTok. When I bring up the man name. Lord, the man I make the man name focus on them life, brother. Lord, the man name, brother. You realize that everybody want to try to bring down I live better than you know. Which one want to say yes or no? Everybody want to bring down now answer you know what them not answer you know? Because the man them pre some different thing. We want to pre some picnic thing. Buy car, boss, fuck girl. We not pre them thing there, bro. A long term thing we are pre, bro. Some Airbnb and something and some house and some style. We not pre, bro. Just through in a chat with business. You're going to make a screen record, yo. I'm dying for doing a left and round. I might Switzerland and come back to Jamaica. So you rather doing it there at Jamaica with you, a race in a car for life, and I talk about muckers and girl and them something and muckers. How that I gonna help you, dog? You want that come to Jamaica. Drive up and down with one in a car. Him just crash one car over there. You want that crash him next car. Drive up and down with one. Rent Airbnb and be a girl. How that benefit him? Ask donor for him reach when me tell him. I say, bro, make your flyer. Put it out. Tell the people them say you take bookings. Do want to have show ice cream Sunday. Do want to have show New Jersey. Only not pretty big a picture, bro. Only not pretty for the dog coming out himself for Jamaica. Go and go ask Briscoe, what you know. Ask Briscoe if me not tough youth. Ask him. Go and go ask Briscoe to ask if me not tough youth. Today hear Briscoe say that song. Go and go ask Briscoe. And just lower for me name.
Can't you try them and tell people saying work, you know? You come from and tell people you work. Give them pay slip there. And him not post a pay slip. Give them pay slip there.
Alright. Come here, listen here for my next one, you know, when I'm on live, you know. Me say something that this is new, you know. I remember me hypocrite, it's a new what you say, you know. You say, chat, break me beg this, come here, go talk this, it's a new, you know.
Yeah.
Chat 4 rows, beg 4 rows over there. Chat 4 rows, then we get back.
4 rows, chat, 4 rows, chat. 4 rows. 4 rows, 4 rows.
One more rows for somebody else.
One more rows, chat.
That's it. Alright, use it now, chat. Use it 2 times. After 2 times, make me get back in there. Cause this is what me hear you say.
One more rows, chat.
One more rows. Chat, use it 2 times.
Once 2025 pan pay slip. Double chat, use up the double.
Chat, use it
once 2025 pan pay slip. Chat, use up the double. Chat, use up the double chat.
Everybody, chat, use
once 2025 pan pay slip and once April and June. Them
everybody over here, use the double.
You prove me wrong.
Alexia, big up yourself now. Everybody over here, use the double.
Tongue.
Over back.
Everybody. Double chat. Me
everybody use the double. Use the double.
Me want to see you show me that piece.
Use the double.
Use it up, chat.
When the double done, come here, I go say something to you where I pump me here you said, and it's new to the argument, you see me? You get it?
Chat, right, catch this, the chat. Catch this.
Alright, no, they don't catch now. Wait. Me hear you say, look why on the live. Zane, say, this is new, you know?
Yeah.
Up top, one y'all wash him back. Me never hear you say them thing there other day. This new.
Say, look how, from my gingerbread, when me I go gingerbread, look how a long time I said that, bro, and people laugh and feel like I joke me that.
Oh, me just hear the part there. Me never.
A long time I said that from me about my gingerbread, man.
Oh, then, alright then. Me
said that for Chevy long time, bro. Long time I said that, bro, and I know new.
That, him said that long time, so wash, him a wash Rasta back?
Who were the dep on my live long time, and can tell you? Who were the dep on my live long time, could I tell you? See it? Yep. And I say yep. Who else dep on my live then time there? When me mention that long time, a long time thing that, bro. Tell the truth, true. Paula Sunshine, yes. Golden Girl, yes. Everybody say yes.
I post me a ear car. When me
say that, bro. Look how long me they said that. I do all and take me for joker, bro. When me a
no, God, listen up.
I'm washing back on them thing there. I laugh, people laugh like me a Batman.
Listen, me God. You know, listen. Me never hear about the back part. Me hear when I say Rasta, you wash Rasta brave and clean Rasta shows. A Rasta take out the hood. If you feel it, a Rasta hug up you. The wash back in a bathroom. Me never hear that. I look while I first me.
No, brother, I talk it long time, bro. Long time I talk them shit there, bro.
If you say you talk it long time, I not say a lie.
Yeah, bro.
You see me?
Me want him for showing pay slip. Show your pay slip, brother. Show your pay slip and stop scamming people and tell them say you work and sit down for your body and come out at night time and come talk about you come off of work for take your people and money for people check say you're independent. You no work. We know that. You no work. You depend on TikTok and depend on Angel and the whole of them woman there to mind you.
So up top depend on woman for mind you, and you depend on man for mind you.
No, me not depend on no boy for mind me. Yeah, that me a bad man in real life, dog. No. The internet have me as a, let me tell you, the internet have me as a thugs, as a gangster. The internet never have me as a fish eater. Some boy want to come fish up me thing and feel say they can come feed me and fatten me and get backdoor deals. Me not depend them shit. I mean a bad man in real life.
Alright. Listen up, we're hard right there. After that, we're going to left right there. I mean, we don't play with silent game. We're hard there because you know your charge shall lose a pick up on your side. So pick up them people there.
Fire no live. You can't go along at any blood clot punch. You can't go on any punch. You go stand up in a line and get 2 food stuff. You can't go in a Walmart, go tea.
So people are Rosealee and they swim around them inner things, you know what I mean? So the one with the Pebbles, you know, Rosealee go talk or you get the big sitting there in him face. Can you have one big scar in him face, you know? You see me? So Rosealee go tell how him get it or him grab a man phone. So we could get in there, people.
Thief till reach 999. 9999. Long as you not keep up to 1,000, them now lock on up. You can't go in a blood clot score, go slung and yam out to your wine and have to pay for and come out. Then can't lock you up for that. Oh. Then can't lock up my friend go to struggle and yam out in and come out. Lock up for blood clot what? Ask the people them here so. Oh. Well, they can't go to Walmart, go keep long as they reach $1,000. You understand? Barbie them not understand. Me not compare for put do not put and play. Me go where more attraction there, more steam, more fever, more exquisite, more tempo, more beat. All the gal know that. Why the fuck me go sit down and play with you? Me have smoke or you not have smoke? Track double, no, when I try to say it's track, if not competition on the both side, it not make no sense to me, and it not gonna make no sense for the shooter them. How when girl come at and bust them gun, them have, some of them will bust out where them have, and if the match hot enough and them decide say you can't win a blood clot, them are gonna reach out again. I can't see long I'm in a nurse blood clot right with me to them. I found no blood clot live. When I drive, I'm in a blood clot. If I walk, me I walk. I can't do nursery rhyme, we don't know. I have to look something out of life. When you then land the opportunity already, you have good credit, you have the score. When you have good credit, you have the blood clot score. Me have to go where competition needed to look something on here. Yeah, me walk, me not walk nowhere else. When she can go over Instagram, go sell her blood clot bingo, and them can go out the road at night time, go join and they behind and suck one hood and take one man and get 1,000. Me can't do it. Can't remember me shape and them man go fuck me and pay me. What is a blood clot problem? The argument start from last week, Sunday. When 9-finger AIDS victim Rotten Batty was Dolly was sell boy story slung over there in a box I tell her, oh, when can they put up her picture, me I laugh. And if I'm just the argument start. Till all 2 girl go open the box and make you know so I say, no man. Rosealee tell him to stop do that. If I'm just the argument start. And she pick and she can't go around me at Gemini, no Gemini. You can't pick and drop no shades by me. The toe is smart. So I know so you make big one class me intention. Like come by here and apologize, me not stupid. But just allow you. No come tell me but I make big one. I start big one a class. You can't tell me nothing. Me say me not stupid, I'm not idiot, I'm not dumb, I'm not dummy, I'm not dumb. The stinking one when named Dolly, I saw me the alive there most time she blood clot come. She was saying buy with her 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 3,000 people. She run, go start live and I say, Mama, Dolly, me not have time for una fuck on the sell. When you can't talk about her phone mouth, say, oh, me not, that's why me not beg pan TikTok, me can't say that. TikTok is my way of life. A gift has make me no mad out. And gifters keep me can't maintain my kids. And I say them go school. Can't do like Cause you don't have a chick or a child. You know what sell one 500 fuck this so I want 800 suck this as the next man not take the money and mine. You don't have to use the money in a frank. I mean, I have the blood and government going to free everything. You can't do like When I come as I work, I come. I'm going to come for babysitting our soda and our pump and a blood clot body. You don't have no smoke. You don't have when me a idle. Like at 10:30, 11 o'clock when I idle in blood clot time, most time I go back to my arteries, you have smoke, I'm going to have time for waste. When you try to look a bit and me a idle, me say when me a idle, me a sit down and idle. I not really pay much, I just a blood clot idle. But when I come on in a broad blood clot daylight when sun hot, when I can't go in a bathsuit because me not have the criteria for bathsuit, I come for look it. So the grifters, them know, my girls, them know, say, boy, some of the girls, them, when them look, say, nah, dash that, say, well, that Rosealee, because we have to, you know? You understand? Saturday when big one start to class me, a song over the live long time enough. Una candidate play match before you come over. And big on the egg on the story. And from Candy put up Macy picture.
Alright, so people, I'm gonna make it reach to the part where Rosealee I tell her how him get the scar in her face and then me I go edit.
Big one start from me and start from blood clot Candy. But a whistling bird, let me know say the reason why big one a class me because I tell Candy don't play the match with Tiki. I can't see that. The person the reason why big one a class Rosealee because Rosealee I tell Candy don't play the match with Tiki because big one go get some out of it. So I can't see that. We can't see where that a blood clot come from. Stinking Pebbles now. True, me go say to Trev Saturday night say, but Pebbles confirm it say the whole of them sick. A peer problem. Shall send my voice note. They can't block no blood clot. You can't class me. Nobody with homeless. Nobody with the pandemic antiviral. Nobody with the RIP. Nobody with them immune system. As any blood clot, they can't walk and take mep or crap. Anytime when you catch one of that blood clot disease with it is a dead or not dead. So nothing can save no stinking blood clot. Just go and live in Monkey Town. Happy Grove. Anytime when you catch nothing with stinking Pebbles all your chat, until you catch nothing with the blood clot AIDS, I dead, you are dead. Me not have to touch you, but I give you time. Check chicken, catch cold a man in a ear, the outcome I catch cold chicken pox, gonna have syphilis or anything with it. Pneumonia, especially pneumonia. Catch some with it, bitch. I heard the outcome I your mouth stink. You know, Pebbles stink from head to toe. Now argue with blood clot, yo. Cause when you slung in the box of your class, when you click your blood clot life, no girl now look for you over blood clot there. You know mouth stink. Cause remember Andrew kill you and double kill some of you. Cause you have it and no double nasty upon the blood clot, contaminated blood clot blood. And you come confirm me, say your friend them have blood clot AIDS and on me. So we are come go like so that you come talk about the girl have the golden blood. I see you come talk about my platform one blood clots. The same blood clots on the same the Saturday when you may sticky at the next Sunday you come right to my platform. Come talk it. So if me repeat where you blood clot I say you shouldn't have no problem. I believe the call me and say boy Rosealee, if you go say what me say. If you're gonna say what I say, but you don't call me name because I don't want me and a girl in hot water. But don't come call me name like you know blood clot something about pussy clot me. Who battery blood clot me and me a good as? Who battery me? Your family more dead off? Who battery blood clot me? Who battery pussy clot me? Who battery blood clot me? Me a go somewhere for somebody battery blood clot me. Me not kill this girl. Who battery me no walk about? Me no fucky. Who for battery blood clot me? Me no fucky. My belly bottom good. You want me take boy for years. So who for blood clot me no come around like you know? Dirty blood clot burn up, girl. Dirty orange burn up, thinking blood clot, a teeth in blood clot, I'm such a teeth, you see? Chat is to stop the so she having that wash up one big dirty man that she neck the man blood clots wiped all teeth. Cough. Can't no like work, I don't know if do a walk and teeth and selling no batty on the mouth. Chat. She got some boobs and they are no kings and sell pussy. See the man at the stoplight with the blood clot phone in him and grab the man phone at the stoplight. The man never do a better blood clotting, greedy dog losing bone. The man there, the blood clot stoplight with the phone them and actually in a woman clothes and goddess. And you know your seat and the seat and the light. The man a drive come up and you see the man car wind down. The light change so it go red so the man have to stop. So the man depend him phone. You like that pager. The man depend him phone like so. The man depend him phone like so. I thought when I should grab the man phone all time blood clot under the stoplight. I couldn't go here because them craving. The man never do a better thing more than chat. Change him top. Change the car. Change him top and change the car. Change him top and change the car. What? Our man, me know about the car in your time. Let's see the cigarette because they have to smoke on a dialect. With the blood clot cigarette there. The man never do a better blood clotting chat more than change the blood clot shirt and change the blood clot car. Drive up again. You know you drive up, you slow driving, okay, you want the red light catch at the stoplight again. Wind down the window, way down this strip white down. And beat her put the phone like him talk to somebody. He say as she rush up with the car and put in her blood because of grab the man's phone. Cause like the man you clue clot somebody say this blood clot trip, you're not go sing like a nothing, you're not go sing like a nothing on a chat. You have the phone in your hand, you know what you're gonna do now. Yeah, eyes the person that come, you know them a come. So me too, them a come, yeah, come in more. The big time the man for coming more in I carry like him have the phone so, and she forgot so in I carry grab the man phone and yank across her blood clot face. You say her face stand thief. You want class me? Thief.